Two vectors of same magnitude has a resultant of same magnitude. The angle between the two vectors must be. If A and B are two vectors and if theta is the angle between them, we can write the resultant vector as magnitude of resultant vector r square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Here it is said that a equal to b equal to r. We can say it as m. So that let us substitute the value in this equation. That we will get m square equal to m square plus 2 into ab. That is m into m. That also m square cos theta. Or we can write 2m square cos theta equal to, we can take this to the left side so that minus m square. Or cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2, which means that theta equal to cos inverse minus 1 by 2, that is 120 degree. Option D is the correct one. AB are perpendicular vectors where A equal to 5y plus 4j minus 3k, B equal to 2y plus 2j minus ak, then the value of A is. We know that for perpendicular vectors, we can write A dot B equal to 0 because we already know that A dot B is AB cos theta, that is for perpendicular vectors. Cos 90 is 0, so it is 0. So let us find out A dot B here. A is 5y plus 4j minus 3k and dot B is 2y plus 2j minus ak. That is, since they are perpendicular, equal to 0. We also know that I dot I equal to j dot j equal to k dot k equal to 1, and also I dot j equal to j dot k equal to k dot I equal to 0. Here I dot I, that is 5 into 2, that is 10, plus j values when we multiply is 8, plus k values minus 3 into minus a plus 3a equal to 0, which means that 3a equal to minus 18 or a equal to minus 6. So option D is the correct one. A river is flowing at a rate of 5 km per hour. A man swims across it with a velocity of 9 km per hour. The resultant velocity of man is. It is said that a river flows at a rate of 5 km per hour and across it a man is swimming with a velocity of 9 km per hour. We know that the resultant velocity, we can write it as, if these two vectors are A and B, we can write r square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. When they are perpendicular, cos theta is cos 90 and cos 90 is 0. So these terms vanish. So you will get a square plus b square. Or we can write r equal to root of a square plus b square, that is root of 5 square plus 9 square, that is root of 25 plus 81, that is square root of 106. So option A is the correct one, square root of 106 km per hour. If omega equal to 3i minus 4j plus k is the angular velocity and r equal to 5i minus 6j plus 6k is the position vector, then the linear velocity of a particle is. Equation for linear velocity is omega cross r. where omega is the angular velocity and r is the position vector. Let us find out the cross product. We can find out by using determinant. That is, we can write ijk and omega is 3i minus 4j plus k. So the values are 3 minus 4, 1. For r it is 5 minus 6 and 6. 5 minus 6 and 6. Now let us find out the determinant value. For finding the I value, we will write I into, we will eliminate the row and column containing I, so that, and we will multiply, cross multiply the other terms. That is minus 4 into 6 minus 6 into 1 minus j into, we will eliminate the column and row containing j and cross multiply the other terms. That is 3 into 6 minus 5 into 1 plus k into, we will eliminate the row and column containing k, so that we will cross multiply 3 into minus 6 minus 5 into minus 4. So we will get I into minus 24 plus 6 minus j into 18 minus 5 plus k into minus 18 plus 20. That is, you will get minus 18i minus 13j plus 2k. So option B is the correct one. A particle is moving northwards with a velocity of 20 meter per second. In 10 seconds, its velocity changes to 20 meter per second eastwards. The average acceleration is. Let us first draw the directions east, west, north, south. First, the particle is moving northwards with a velocity v1. Then it moves eastwards with velocity v2. So let us find out the acceleration. We can write acceleration as delta v by delta t or dv by dt. That means rate of change of velocity, where delta v is v2 minus v1. That is minus v1 downwards. So the direction of delta v resultant velocity will be like this, v2 minus v1 towards, this is east, this is south. So towards east south. Now let us find out the magnitude of this delta v. That is square root of v2 square plus minus v1 whole square divided by delta t is 10. That is square root of v2 square plus v1 square divided by 10. That is square root of v2 is 20, 20 square, v1 is also 20, 20 square divided by 10, or square root of 400 plus 400, 800. That we can write 400 into 2 divided by 10. That is 20 root 2 divided by 10. That is 2 root 2. So the answer is 2 root 2 meter per second square southeast. Option C is the correct one.